How to delete all your likes on Instagram. Now, let's say you have liked this certain post or various of posts and you want to delete the likes that you have put on that specific post. Now, if you don't want to go to that specific post and manually delete each likes that you have given to it, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, you will be able to see this section that says your activity. All you have to do is to click on that. And once you're here, you will be able to see every interaction that you have done on your account. Now, in order for you to see all the likes that you have on this specific account, all you have to do is to tap on this likes right here. And now you'll be able to see every Instagram post or reels that you have liked on your account. All you have to do if you want to delete your likes to this specific post is to click on this select right here and select the post that you want to delete your likes from. Now after that, all you have to do is to click on unlike right here and the post will automatically be unliked. So that's how to delete all your likes on Instagram. Hope we help.